Chapter number 3, part number 3.8, practice set 14, questions 1 to 9. Question 1. Choose the right option. First, the SCF of 120 and 150 is, options is 30, 45, 20 and 120. Second, the SCF of this pair of number is not 1. First option is 13, 17. These two numbers is prime number. Second option is 29 and 20. 29 is prime number. 40 and 20, two numbers is composite. Their SCF is 20. 14 and 15, these two numbers is consecutive numbers. That SCF is 1. So that option number 3 is. Question 2. Find the SCF and LCM. First example is 14 and 28. SCF is 14 and LCM is 28. Second, 32 and 16. Find the SCF and LCM by observation. 32 number is divisible by 16. So that SCF is 16 and LCM is 32. Third example is 17, 102, 170. I divided by 17 to these three numbers. SCF is 17. Then find the LCM divided by 2. Prime numbers is 3 and 5. LCM is equal to 17 into 2 into 3 into 5. 72 is 34. 3 5 is 15. 15 4 is 60. 15 3 is 45. 45 plus 6 51. LCM is 510. Next example is 23 and 69. Find the SCF and LCM by observation. Here 69 number is divisible by 23. So that SCF is 23 and LCM is 69. Next example is 21, 49, 84. These three numbers divisible by 7. I divided by 7. 7 is common number, so that SCF is 7. Then I divided by 3, these three numbers, and remainder 7 and 4. 7 and 4 numbers is one composite number and one prime number. I stop division. Find LCM. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 28 multiply by 21 and product is 588. LCM is 588. SCF 7 and LCM is 588. Question 3. Find the LCM. 36 and 42. Find prime factors and find the LCM. 3 into 2 into 6 into 7. 6 into 42. 42 multiply by 6. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1. 6 4s are 24 plus 1. 252 is LCM. Second number example is 15, 25, 30. Find the prime factors. LCM is equal to 5 into 3 into 5 into 2. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 15 multiply by 10. Product is 150. Third example is 18, 42, 48. 3 numbers divided by 2, then divided by 3. 3, 7 and 8 is different number. Stop the division and find the LCM. 2 into 3 into 3, 7 into 8. 2 into 3 into 3, 18 multiplied by 56. Product is 1008. LCM 1008. Next example, 4, 12 and 20. Find prime factors of these three numbers. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 4 15s are 60. 60 is LCM of these three numbers. Next example is 24, 40, 80, 120. Here given 4 numbers. We find 4 numbers prime factors. 2, 2, 2, 5, 3, 2. Multiply all these numbers and LCM is 240. Question 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. To find the multiple, let us find the LCM of the given divisors. LCM is 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 3 into 3, 360 of LCM of these numbers. To find smallest number, LCM plus remainder. LCM is 360 plus 5. Answer is 365. Verify. Remainder is 5. 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. 365 divided by 15. Remainder is 5. Then I divide by 20. Remainder is 5. Question 5. Reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. First, 348 divided by 309. Here, I divide by 319 to 348. SCF is 29. Then, reduce form 348 divided by 29. 319 divided by 29. Here I divided by 29 to these two numbers. 29 12s are 348. Twelve is nominator and 11 is denominator. 12 upon 11 is reduced form, the lowest term of these two numbers. Second example is 221 upon 247. I divide by 229 and find the SCF 13. Divided by these two numbers by 13 and find the lowest terms. 221 upon 247. 221 divided by 13. 247 divided by 13. 221 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13. Remainder is 9. I take 1. 13 sevens are 91. Quotient is 17. Next, divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 and remainder is 11. Take 7. 13 nines are 100. 17. 17 upon 19 is reduced form of these two numbers. Third, 437 divided by 551. SCF is 90. 437 upon 551 divided by 19. 19 2s are 38. Remainder 5. I take 7. 19 3s are 57. Quotient is 23. Then I divided by 551. 19 2s are 38. 15 minus 8 7. 5 minus 4 1. Take 1. 171. 19 9s are 171. 23 upon 29 is the reduced form of the fraction, the lowest term. Question 6. The LCM and the SCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 216, what is the other? I write down formula of SCF into LCM is equal to first number and second number. Left side 432 and 72 divided by 216. 216 plus 216 432. I multiply by 2. Product is 432. 216 ones are 216. 202s are 432. 2 into 72 is equal to 144. Second number is 144. First number is 216 and second number is 144. Question 7. The product of two-digit number is 765 and their SCF is 3. What is their LCM? Write down formula of SCF and LCM. 3 into LCM is equal to 765. LCM is equal to 765 divided by 3. I divided by 3. LCM is 765 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. LCM is 255. SCF is 3 and LCM is 255. A trader has 3 bundles of string 390 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of string that the bundles can be cut up into without any left over string? या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ असा आहे की एका विक्रेत्याजवळ प्लास्टिकच्या दोऱ्यांची 3 गुंडाळी आहेत. दोरी उरणार नाही अशा प्रकारे त्या तीनही गुंडाळ्यातील दोरीचे सारख्या लांबीचे तुकडे पाडले तर प्रत्येक तुकडा जास्तीत जास्त किती लांबीचा असेल? In this example, you have find the greatest length of string. For this, you have find SCF. Here, I have solved the example to find the SCF. The greatest length of each of string is 14 meter long. SCF is 14. I divided by 7 and 2. 7 into 2 14 and answer is 14 meters. Question 9. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? The LCM of two consecutive even numbers is 180. The SCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. Next step is find the two numbers. Write down formula. 2 into 180 is equal to product 360. We find two factors of 300 whose difference is 2. 360 factors is, first factor is 36 into 10, second 18 into 20, third 9 into 40, 360 into 6 into 60. In these four factors, difference is 36, difference is 26. 18 and 20 difference 2, 9 and 40 difference is 31, and 6 and 16 difference is 54. 18 and 20 numbers is two consecutive even numbers. Today's homework is practice set 14. Solve all the examples solved in today's part.